can't be standing still and shit.
Yep.
Is the pedal dead right now?
Well, you're obviously in tune 1.
Let's turn it up.
Yeah, just fucking flip it all the way. Party.
That way I can feel that. I can feel high.
Yep. And then you'll need all that.
There we go. Yeah, my kid's a lot more laggy.
Yeah.
See, I think you'll sell even more kits though, and I think if we could get the trans tuning lined out on this thing,
Yep.
it'll help it a whole lot.
Oh, hell yeah.
Like Grant, don't get
What?
this thing kicks mine's ass for sure.
Yep.
But when I get a little nervous, the toe hall's okay.
Yeah.
Like right here, I'm on the floor, but we're smoke limiting right now because there's no. So,
Those are my marks from last night.
what I want though is I want to be right here.
Yep.
I want to roll into it. I want to burn the tires right now.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I think your average, and I'm not like this kid's awesome. Don't get me wrong, but like I think your average consumer that's gonna be like really wanting to, that's not wanting a race truck, so to speak.
Yeah.
I think like a 200 kid or something.
Oh,
really,
definitely.
Really small and tight is gonna really shine. Like this thing's a bad motherfucker. It rolls really fast.
Well, the 363, if you got to drive with the 363 in it, it really.
But this thing has a lot of smoke limiting in it too.
Yeah.
Like it needs more fuel down low, and you need more timing pulled out.
Yeah.
This thing I think I could probably get this thing lighting 2 times faster than what it is just by a little bit of calibrating.
Yeah.
And like I said, I don't even know what tune fob this is, but like it could
Yeah.
be mine or HPP's, I don't know. But like even if it's mine, like I can. Where's your EGT gauge?
EGT, boost, and air temps.
Right here. Yeah. See.
Yeah.
I need to be hitting right there.
Yeah.
Throttling in. I need to be at about 1200 degrees.
Yeah.
So I need like this file I would take and I'd pull probably 6 degrees of timing out of it in
Yeah.
the spool area to try to get the more on the exhaust side.
Yep.
Create more heat. But I think this thing would actually probably with a little bit more fuel and negative, probably in the negatives on timing during this port throttle area.
Yeah.
Because it comes up a hell of a lot faster than mine.
Yeah.
I think I'll be able to get this thing probably to light up at probably 600-700 RPMs faster.
I think so too.
I think it just needs a little tuning.
It's kind of like right now. I think this is almost more set up right now, just like straight up full throttle.
Yeah, this is
but
like
it's,
race truck.
Yeah, definitely is. But I mean,
Bad
there's a
motherfucker.
lot. I think, like I said, if I was able to get
But I
this down
wonder
to
if
you
this-
or somebody
for
else,
sure.
and in person and
Yeah.
log in person,
Yeah.
well, it's gonna make your job so much easier.
Oh, for sure.
So just cut them off.
Oh, that's good.
But yeah, definitely, I think that's where we're gonna be at
We
on
need
it.
to, do a
The
little-
363 is really nicer because it does spool in at like that 1200, that
I just
1300.
wonder about the half-ton guys that buy it. Let's take for example, your normal half-ton guy. It's gonna be pulling out from a red light.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean? Like
Back tires.
Yeah. It rips. It rips, dude. It's freaking fast. But I think you'll sell a fuckload of a lot more units if we can get this thing to. For one, we need to get the shift points changed for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
The ASIC. But right here, we need to be 35 pounds right now.
Oh yeah.
35 pounds.
Yep.
Which
Yeah.
I could probably get it to come in with some fine tuning, probably about 600-700 RPMs quicker.
Yep.
Probably about 3 seconds faster, maybe. Just guessing. But yeah, no, this truck runs a lot better than my truck did.
Well, that's gonna change for years. So I'm
You're
ready.
the first one to do anything on it. I mean, no one else got the nuts to fuck with it.
Oh,
But-
come on now. I do stuff weird. I've been doing stuff weird for 10 years.
Cool. I mean, dude, I fail. I freaking, this is a win, but I fail more than anybody ever realizes. To every one success we've got 999 failures.
I know, right?
This year's a win. It feels great, but this is the race truck guy.
Yep.
Big single, keep my motor alive.
Yeah.
I don't Too terribly much stuff.
It's like I said, it's almost like low boost fueling with big like 475 on a 24 valve. It's kind of like all motor in the bottom, and then it just lights and kicks up.
Right. You know, as crazy as this sounds, I think you could probably throw a very small S200 on this with a gate with the turbo that's on it right now. And
if I found room for it.
Yeah, exactly.
But
like once it's on boost though, it's a man.
Yeah.
But you know, you really don't want to have a customer running in tow haul or having to.
Oh, I know, but that's also where we're stuck on that.
We're stuck on it with trans tuning. You know? But just things as you develop, you know, just kind of thinking in the future. You know, like right now I'm on the wood, which has got this tune's really needs more fuel on the bottom.
Yeah, bottom end is.
Does mine have more fuel on the bottom end?
Yes.
Okay.
Yours on the bottom end kicks up like right now, here and there. I mean, we could always flash it and kind of come back to it, but I think we're all pressed for time right now. You got to be getting to the airport.
5 minutes. It'll do it.
Yeah.
But the reason though this truck, I think. All right, so I know what's going on just from driving it with the not spooling.
Yeah.
This mass airflow sensor's pissed, but the mass airflow sensor.
I think I need a revision.
What's up, man?
So
just checking in with you.
Yep. I got the new 10 bar on it. I got away from the wire harness 10 bar.
Okay.
So it's got the factory style 10 bar.
Gotcha.
I used to keep on getting these low boost codes, and then I put that in, and I kept on getting it, and then all of a sudden now it went away. So I don't know if
Is it retuned for the map sensor?
It's a 10 bar, but it was tuned for the Y harness style. So ever since I put this one in,
is it supposed to be any different?
I think the voltages are a little bit different. I know a couple of people told me that when they tuned for the Y harness style, it had some finicky stuff with it. A couple other my customers, when I put the Y harness on theirs, they were having some finicky issues.
Gotcha.
So I think the voltage scaling is possibly
if you got
a little
factory
off.
One, so all it is the voltage scaling on these is pretty simple. It's two bits. It's got 0, and then it's got what it expects at full voltage.
Yeah.
So all I got to do is take and put
whatever it's supposed to be.
It's supposed to be.
Yeah.
And it'll fix that. But the issue you're having with the dead pedal coming on though is the mass airflow sensor. I think he's got it probably turned off in the tune. I don't know, but if what it's doing is it's actually not calculating the right amount of air, and you can tell just by the fuel that's coming in, and it's actually going into a limp mode, but the limp mode's turned off, so you don't feel it unless you're or trying to spool it up.
Yeah.
So the diagnostics for that need to be adjusted, and driving this truck helped me 1,000 times now. Like I know how to get you a better bass file.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said. It's like
that's why I really wanted to make sure I drove it. Like I told them.
Oh, I know. I was like,
I want to drive this.
Hey, I've been giving the keys to everybody I possibly can. It's so much fun.
It spools a lot faster than my truck.
Yeah. And I got a couple other revision files, like a couple from you and a few other people that I've ran, and I've had the lower ends work so much better on them. The top ends kind of end up dying out on some of it, but also I was like, once I got the new EGT gauge in, I was seeing that like on top ends it was just too much air, and I'm like, got 1100 degrees as the top end. Is like, where's all of our heat?
yeah, we need more injector.
So
for the top end, more injector, but the bottom though, I think we can get it spooling faster. But I think it'd be cool just when you get a little time to entertain.
I'm gonna try to reflash it here in a little bit and take it on the drive home and do some data testing.
Yeah, do some data testing. If I don't have it set up for the 10 bar.
Hey, I think you gave me a 10 bar file. I'm pretty sure you did. I'm pretty sure. Okay. I think you did.
I probably did, because that's probably the only way I even remember what the maps look like.
Yeah, with the bits.
Yeah.
No.
But yeah, this here can run though. Like this kit's great for someone wanting to race, and I think it's to run a hell of a lot better.
And that was like the whole entire idea behind this one.
Yeah, and it's cool, dude. It freaking, we was ripping the fuck out the tires.
Yeah. Track bars next, definitely.
Yeah, track bars for sure. This thing's a man.
Yeah.
Very impressive though. It's fastest Titan I've ever driven, no doubt.
Well, right on, man.
Well, dude, thanks for letting me drive it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for everything.